Everyone, my name is Abdullah and you are watching the Code with Programmer channel. So this video is a tutorial of our app that we are making, that is Plot Finder. In the previous tutorial we have created a login page and designed all the functionality that is required in our app. So today we are going to create a sign up page for our app. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel and have not subscribed the channel yet, and if you are satisfied with my content, then go ahead and help me to grow this channel by simply just clicking the subscribe button. That will work for me. Let's start the video before wasting any further time. So go to Java and create a new file, name what you ever want. I name it Signup Activity, then press finish. So our design will look like this image. So in this image you can see here we are taking username, email, phone number and password, then we are signing up. So our design will look like this. Let's start following this design. Firstly, you can see here that there is a background of green color. Above that background there is some card view or some view that has left radius. You can see it is given left radius, so to make it round. So let's try it. Open your .xml file, close it. Firstly change it to relative layout, then give it background color drawable. Sorry, I have given the color green to it. Take another linear layout, give it to width match parent and height around 100 dp. So inside it we have to create this back button, back arrow and sign up text. So I select orientation of that relative linear layout to horizontal and image view wrap, and inside image view I said src to, firstly I have to add it in the project from the drawable, new vector assets, then select arrow. It will work. Name it, add here at the date of drawable back arrow. So change its color to white. So it is giving an error. So the error is change Android to app. So we have to give the gravity to center and left. Yet working. So next thing I have to do is I have to add a text view. Text view width is match parent or height is match parent. So the text is sign up. Set the gravity to center and text size, text color to white, text size to round 24, padding to 10 dp, give it to 35, 30, and text style bold. So second we have to create this type of view that have corner radius rounded. So for this we have to go to drawable, then in the drawable we have to create a drawable resource file and name it to corner view. So selector, instead of selector select shape and here give space, then Android shape. Our shape will be rectangle. Solid Android color to white. Okay, it is working. So in the corners I have to give radius top left radius to around 40 dp. Yeah, okay, so just using it here. So why not we select this a relatively linear layout, and orientation vertical. So another linear layout for the rounded corner, linear layout, width match parent, height match parent. So its background will be that we have created, that is corner view. So you can see here that we have achieved it, but it is small. So to make its radius greater, we have to give its value around, yeah, it is good. So now we have achieved this. So secondly, we have to create these fields. So for achieving this, we will create inside the linear, we have to give orientation, that will be vertical. So set text input layout, width will be match parent, height will be around 40 dp. So give it linear layout of some padding to see 10 dp, margin top 20 dp, okay, 25. And so secondly, set its background. So box background color to white, box to green. So then set and edit text in it, edit text, width match parent, height match parent. So you can see input layout, and inside text input layout we edit and edit text. You can see in the image we have a starting image. So for this we select start icon, drawable, and the date of drawable, and user. So I have already downloaded from the vector asset, so you can do it by yourself. So here a date of drawable, so you can see here start icon tint to green, okay. So give some padding to 5 dp, okay. Give its margin left to 10 dp, margin right to 10 dp. So for edit text, set hint to user. So here it is username, so we have to set username, username. So copy this and paste it 4 times, 2, 3. So it will be enough. So what is you can see here that there is a margin between all the text input layout, so we have to give this margin. So you can see here that if I click here, its padding is 10 dp. If I find text input, its whole text input, then I click here, okay. So remove this padding from the here, okay, margin, remove this padding also, then give margin top around 40, also give this margin around 40. It is not looking good, yeah, no, it is fine. No, this is not looking good, so give this margin around 30, yeah, it will be fine. So give this 30, padding, remove the padding also from here, remove the padding and give the margin top to 30 dp. So next we have to create a sign up button. So for that we have to just add Android widget dot button. So width will be match parent, height will be 55 dp. So you can see in the image that the button, so one is not rounded and other threes are rounded, so we have to create the button like this. So for this we have to go to again in the drawable, and from the drawable we have to select a drawable resource file, sign up button. So here we have to select the shape again, then add spacebar, again spacebar, Android shape will be rectangle. We have solid color, we will give it to green. Corners, top left radius will be 10 dp, bottom left radius will be 10 dp, bottom right radius will be 10 dp. Yeah, it is fine. So go here and add this above inside background at the date of drawable, sign up button. So give its margin to 15 dp. Yeah, it is fine. Add text, that is sign up. Set text to white. Text size will be 15 dp. Yeah. So inside sign up button we have to add some text that is written here. Already have an account, then login. So for that we have to create again a linear layout, and inside here select text view. Width will be wrap, height will be wrap, and inside first text view add text. Already have an account, add question mark in the end. So copy this text view and paste below it. So just add login, set its text to text color black, so its color also to black. Text color to black, and set text style to bold. So go here and check, it's green, green. Okay, then gravity, give it gravity to center. When we paste all these text input layouts one by one below, so they have same IDs, username. So to change them we have to go to select this, then come here and add username, phone number, give space between phone and number, then start icon will be phone. So also enable password, what was that, password toggle enable, set to true, and set its color to black. So now it's look fine and completed. So this was a tutorial of creating a beautiful sign up page